Hi, this is Emma from iDoc. Is the battery of your Galaxy S9 getting weaker? This video shows you how to replace it yourself. The repair is a bit more difficult because the back cover is glued on pretty strong, so you should plan about 60 to 90 minutes. We recommend the following tools: several flat plastic picks, a thin flat opening tool, a Phillips screwdriver, a suction cup, a steel spatula, ESD tweezers, and a plastic spudger. The opening tool should be as wide and as thin as possible, such as the iPlastics or the iFlex. You will also need a heat gun or a hair dryer to soften the glue. At our store, iDoc.eu, you'll find the right spare part together with the matching tools as a repair kit, including our nifty iDoc magnetic pad. Our website also shows detailed photos and videos for each step. And now, enjoy this fix. Before you start, you should have all your tools ready. Also work on a clean surface to prevent dirt from entering and scratching the device. Switch off the device first to avoid short circuits. Press and hold the power button until the power off option appears. To loosen the back cover, use a heat gun or an ordinary hair dryer. Warm glue is easier to loosen, allowing you to remove the back cover. The easiest way to loosen the back cover is to use a flat and flexible tool such as the iPlastics or iFlex. You will also need several picks to unstick the back cover all around. Heat the spot where you start and place a suction cup on the bottom of the back cover. Press a flat tool between the back cover and the frame and then pull on the suction cup. The iPlastics is made of plastic, so it won't scratch the frame. On the other hand, it's very soft and tricky to insert. If necessary, apply the heat several times and try again. Be extra careful, the back cover can break very easily. Removing the back cover might take about half an hour. You better take a little more time and work carefully to make sure you don't break anything. Once the tool is inserted, stick a pick into the gap to keep it open. Then run the tool all around the entire edge to gradually loosen the glue. You can already take off the suction cup. Then heat the next part and insert the picks one by one. The back cover glue is extra strong on the lower edge. Once the back cover is loosened, lift it very slightly. The fingerprint sensor underneath the camera is still connected with a cable. Unplug the connector with a narrow spudger. Here at the edges you can see the glue. The back cover glue is extra wide just over the USB connector. Now take off the back cover and put it aside. Then remove all the equally long Phillips screws from the logic board cover and store them together. This phone has only 2 different screw lengths. If a screw doesn't come out easily, you can use a pair of tweezers to pick it up. The logic board cover with the NFC tag is latched in at the top. Pry it up a little and then take it out. Now the battery connector is free. To avoid short circuits during the repair, disconnect the battery. In the next step, remove the speaker. These screws are also equally long. Lift the speaker a little using tweezers and then remove it. As a last step, remove the battery. The battery glue is very strong, so you should use hot air again. Never heat the battery directly. Apply the hot air from the display side. We recommend running a flat tool such as the iFlex all around the battery. Be careful not to damage the battery and neighboring parts. Take your time and heat the glue several times. Now take out the battery. As you can see, the battery only has glue around the outer edges and not at the center. The new battery might come with adhesive strips attached. In this case, pull off the backing film to paste in the battery. If your battery comes without glue, you can use some very thin, double-sided tape. The tape has to be very flat. If the battery sticks out too far, it will be squeezed in by the mid-frame. Now insert the battery into the display unit and press on the glue. Then place the speaker back over the USB board, press it in, and fasten it with the screws. Make sure it's latched in at the bottom. Now connect the battery again. Then attach the logic board cover with the NFC tag. Latch it in and press it in all around. Then fasten all the screws again. Before reattaching the back cover, check the glue. It should be sitting evenly on the back cover. You can remove any excess glue. Before attaching the back cover, plug in the fingerprint sensor connector. Use a plastic tool to reach the connector. Heat the back cover again to bond the glue. You can press on the back cover with your fingers while the glue cools down. Please do note that your smartphone's water ingress protection is no longer the same after you open it. Your device is fixed now, and I hope you really enjoyed it. You can find tools and spare parts at our website, iDoc.eu. Feel free to leave any questions and suggestions in the YouTube comment box. We're always happy to help you out. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And if any of your friends broke their phone, go tell them about iDoc. We offer detailed repair guides for all common models. And now, enjoy your fixed device and see you next time.